Hi, so last year I did a video about being able to reverse groups of markups, so it didn't take so long. There is a problem with this that I've discovered, and that is you lose the layers of the tools you're working with. So if I'm going to demonstrate this quickly, if I pick this item here, and draw that, and if I draw another item there, so I've got layers external walls here, and if I put a couple of extra items on there, it doesn't matter where it goes. If I choose horizontal trace, that should do it. So I've now got 4 items measured, and they're all in different layers. Now what I was doing was, if I wanted to reverse this, I was selecting all the markups and I was grouping them. So Control G to group them, and then I was doing Control or H to flip them, and then I was saying to do Control Shift G to ungroup them. There you go. But you can see here they're all now under the same layer. So just beware. It doesn't matter if you reverse it or not. The fact is, if you group then ungroup, the layers all go back to one layer. So if you're going to try and use this idea of being able to reverse a group of layers, or you have to be very careful, because you will lose your details in the layers. So yeah, just thought I'd put this one out there, just so you don't do a lot of work and then discover your setup is not quite how you thought it would be. Thanks.